on Lala TV. Ooh, 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 ooh.
He's assaulting me!
So this is a hand sanitizer.
It's a bottle.
A bottle that's filled with hand sanitizer because we're not normal family. We don't have any water bottles in the house.
Not a single one.
We're abnormal. Also, we don't have any scissors. So this is gonna be spinning and we're gonna see who gets.
Get over here!
Stop.
Money!
It's dangerous. Stop.
Hi.
2, 1, go.
You want us to die, don't you?
Go. Ow!
What's happening? Somebody's getting hit. I can't. Shots fired. Shots fired.
Wait,
Why am I getting paid out?
Is he out?
I'm still alive. Try though.
No one can look.
Is he out?
Who's gonna get what?
That sounds bad. Turn it off.
Okay, so what we're I can't talk. We're outside in the pool, and what we're gonna do is someone's gonna be sitting on the chair.
What
and
chair? How is it gonna work?
This chair.
Why do you guys smell like fish? Somebody in here smells like fish.
We ready?
Okay, so
You already did the first
no, I
video.
didn't. Okay, so we're gonna be in the. So this is.
We're gonna be in the pool. Go ahead.
This is a second challenge where we're gonna be guessing the song, and if you don't guess the song, you get thrown in the pool. No, on my phone. So he has 3 tries to get. If he doesn't, okay, so he has 3 songs to get. If he doesn't, then he gets thrown in the pool, pretty much. 3, 2.
These aren't even real words.
What
Something. I know the beat. I don't know.
No,
Whatever.
okay.
These aren't even real words.
Alright, so he gets one chance now.
Yeah, one more chance.
So it doesn't. Oh, that's right. When we something dancing.
No, no.
That's it, right?
No.
You'll never take me alive. You'll never take me alive. No.
Bonnie.
Part of the rules.
My socks.
Part of the rules.
My
Stop.
socks.
Okay, take him off, you weirdo.
You can't take me alive. I got kids. I got a wife. She loves me.
Stop.
I'll take the songs.
Not my socks.
I'll take the songs.
Hey, be a good sport.
Bonnie.
Please,
All right,
please,
let's
please.
redo it.
Give him another chance.
This
Okay,
is this
another
is how it's supposed to work.
Alright, another
Fine.
chance.
Can you please give me a song that I know? Those aren't even real words. You're like. Together forever. You never said how many I had to say.
Okay, that's good, but it's.
Best friends.
Whatever.
And Heather!
Alright.
Best friend!
You're next. Best friend, you're next.
No, it's boys and then me.
No.
Come on.
You're next. We're going smaller to bigger.
What? You didn't even go.
That was a song.
The whole club was looking at her.
No.
one word.
No.
You
Okay, okay.
That doesn't even
Reset,
count.
redo. Alright. So simple.
Those aren't even words.
I know that.
That's one.
What's your man?
No, that's
Just
one.
Clean.
bow, bow, bow. Bow, bow, bow.
That's not gonna count, is it?
No, I got it! It's
Oh, I
pow,
have to
pow,
pause it.
pow.
Give me.
Pretty.
Alright.
But he doesn't know what to do anything. Let go.
Bro.
I got this. Hold on.
Boy, you just trying to play. No, I'm not now.
I don't think so.
That's it.
It's like stinkily. You're not that close. Even I do that.
No.
You're my stinky so don't keep texting me. I'm not you.
I'm not your.
Alright, so
You're
last
way
one.
out. All right. After this one.
Dude.
No, it's after this one. I don't want
After
this
this
one.
one, you said.
I know this one!
Too bad. I don't want this one. Oh yeah.
There's no words in this. It's not even funny. I'm done with this game.
Do you want to subscribe?
Subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe.
Like?
I was just editing and you might be like, why did Sadie not get like jumped in the pool? It's because my camera literally died and it was awful because we just finished pumping me in the pool.